What's up, my people? So today we are going to talk about how to use a fair value gap to enter your trade. And first and foremost, we are supposed to first be able to identify the fair value gaps before using them for our trades. Most of the time, the fair value gaps are the inefficiencies that are found mostly while the price goes up or down, and mostly the price usually comes and refills it. Price usually comes and refills the positions. So we are going to look for this inefficiency here. There's a fair value gap here, another fair value gap here, another fair value gap here, another fair value gap here, and as you can see, this is the 15-minute time frame, and you can see the fair value gaps here, 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 and here. We can drop to 1 minute time frame and look the fair value gaps that are available there. And as in the 1 minute time frame, there are too many fair value gaps, of which they gives you confusion on which one to trust, and I'm gonna help you with that. As you can see, we are going to look for a sell model fair value gap, and we look for it on the London session. We are looking at the GBP USD currency, and as you can see, this is a very big fair value gap. In this session, there was a news which initiated the price to go downwards, and as you can see, there's a nice market structure shift here, and this high was taken out. So let us see on this reversal to identify the fair value gaps that we are going to look, and how to get in a trade using the fair value gaps. So we first start by identifying the fair value gaps, and as you can see, there was the high created here. Then the market came down, taking out this low of this high here, and it formed some few fair value gaps. And you can take a minute or two to pause the video and see if you can identify the fair value gaps. But for me, I will just continue. So on here, we can see this here. This is a very nice fair value gap which was used by price. So we can identify this fair value gap, and I'm using this fair value gap because this is after the high was formed and the market dropped, then dropped further, taking out this low, creating a nice market structure shift. But with that, we can use this to frame our trade and enter our trade. We are on a 1 minute time frame. A nice market structure shift was formed here, and after the market structure shift, the price retraced back to this fair value gap and refilled it before going down, taking out this low and retracing to this fair value gap down here, and it further went and to take out this low. So when you look at the market, this is the first fair value gap was formed here. The market retraced, taking this fair value gap out. This fair value gap, rebalancing this fair value gap, not taking it out, rebalancing it, then went down, taking out this low and this low. We can look at the second example here. This is a very nice retracement, and as you can see, it refilled all these fair value gaps here present. It's a very big fair value gap here, which was left behind. It was refilled, and the market drew to this high here, and to a line. The order block resisted the price from going further and taking out this high, and initiated the price to go lower, leaving these fair value gaps, which will come to be refilled later in time. Most of the fair value gaps which haven't been refilled are usually being refilled later in time, and as you can see, the continuation of the sell move, we can use this is another order block which resisted the price from going, taking out this high. It failed to reach this fair value gap here. This is another fair value gap. This is another fair. There are many fair value gaps here present, and as you can see, this fair value gap was already filled here. So we can be using the fair value gaps to enter the trade, to pyramid on our entry, and to know where the price is literally going most of the time. And we can see another example which has just happened recently here. As you can see, this is a 930 candle which retraced to this fair value gap here. See, this is a very nice fair value gap formed. The 930 retraced. It was a very nice sell move, and the market retraced to this fair value gap, then continued downwards selling. And as you can see, this is another fair value gap which the market is retracing to.